Recent incidents across the country have led to a flow-on effect for the Adelaide Hills line and Journey Beyond Rail, with diversions, cancelled services and trains operating at different times of the day, along with the Great Southern Summer Train in operation, making for some interesting movements across the last month. Due to an incident at an overpass road bridge in Melbourne involving a truck, the Overland was cancelled on Monday the 18th of December, which led to the service having to return empty overnight for its next Adelaide departure, with locomotive NR114 running the Overland through Yantaringa towards Adelaide during the morning as it once did decades ago. While awaiting for a diverted Indian Pacific via the Adelaide Hills due to a level crossing incident near Broken Hill, an Adelaide Metro Railcar arrives at Belair Railway Station, completing its peak period running for the day. With the diverted Indian Pacific arriving onto the loop at Belair, with NR1 and NR73 leading, our attention is turned to the west, where a completely empty Pacific National service with NR15 and NR67 approaches bound for Melbourne. Due to running the extra distance via Melbourne, the Indian Pacific only made it to Goulburn around 150 kilometres southwest of Sydney, with passengers brought in and out via coaches to keep the train on schedule. However, due to issues on the train's eastward journey, the westbound train was also running late. This led to the Journey Beyond Rail service making a stop at Murray Bridge, with passengers boarding coaches to their Adelaide tours in the Hills and CBD, while the train made its slow journey through the Adelaide Hills in the meantime before arriving at the Adelaide Parklands terminal, where the train will be serviced before departing onwards to Perth after sunset at 9:40 p.m. A quick dash down the hill sees us arrive at Mitcham railway station in time for another shot of the diverted Indian Pacific with NR1 and NR73. On the climb out of Adelaide, only a couple of hundred metres before Sleep's Hill Tunnel, we await the Great Southern, which only operates throughout the summer months from Adelaide to Brisbane, with the 7th run of the season captured on a sunny day with locomotives NR30 and NR31 hauling the train.